Alright, so I'm going to paint a nice tree here. You can see that I'm just already started the painting, so I'm putting few strokes of the the tree leaves here. Some point it's going to be bigger, and in some point it's just going to be smaller. Okay. All right. Putting few strokes here, and in the bottom we're going to put the grasses. Those are the grasses. All over it. We're going to add some water to show the thickness and draw the grasses very nice. Alright, so making the branches little bit wider. Alright, so the ground, you can see here the green color in the bottom and a green tree here. Okay, we're going to take the red color to draw a nice sun in the sky. So you can see here when red color mixed with the green color, it has a little dark effect, like it becomes little blackish. Okay, so there's the sun in the sky, and we're going to make one bird fly. Okay, so these elliptical shapes is for the bird and this is for the wings. Another wings is going to be here like this. Okay, so that's the total drawing. I'm going to finish here, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.